students. Today we are going to discuss illustration number 10, page number 96. Okay. A and B contribute 40,000 and 4 lakh and 2 lakh respectively as capital. So A contribute 4 lakh and B contribute 2 lakh capital. Their respective share of profit is 3:2. Profit sharing ratio 3:2. And the profit before interest on capital for the year 27,000. That means before providing interest on capital, profit 27,000. Before distributing interest on capital, profit 27,000. Compute the amount of interest on capital in each of the following situation. First question. If the partnership deed is silent as to interest on capital, if the partnership deed is silent as to interest on capital, see, a partnership deed is silent or there is no partnership, interest on capital will not be provided, will not be allowed, as the partnership deed is silent as to the interest on capital, because nothing mentioned about interest on capital in the partnership deed. No need to provide any interest on capital to the partners. Okay, are you clear? Then second thing, interest on capital at 6% is allowed as per the partnership deed. Interest on capital at 3%, not 6%. Interest on capital is allowed as 3% as per the partnership deed. First we calculate interest on capital, because profit before interest on capital 27,000. Okay, now we are going to calculate 3% on 4 lakh and 3% on 2 lakh. See, computation of interest on capital. 4 lakh into 3 by 100, 2 lakh into 3 by 100. So A 12,000 and B 6,000. You should add both. How much? 18,000. Total interest on capital 18,000. Profit before interest on capital 27,000. So since there is a sufficient profit is available, so interest on capital will be provided, because interest on capital 18,000, profits 27,000. It is possible to provide interest on capital to the partners. So since there is sufficient profit, interest on capital will be provided. Then question number 3. If the partnership deed allows interest on capital at 5%, interest on capital at 5%. Now we are going to calculate computation of interest on capital. 4 lakh into 5 by 100, 20,000. 2 lakh into 5 by 100, 10,000. Total interest on capital, how much? 30,000. So profit before interest on capital 27,000. Profit is 27,000. Interest on capital is 30,000. How will provide interest on capital to the partners? It is not possible, because profit is insufficient. See, interest on capital is 30. Profit is 27,000. How will provide interest on capital to the partner A and B? Since the profit is insufficient, so interest on capital will not be provided. Then the profit of 27,000 will be distributed to the partners in their capital ratio, that is 3:2. See, in third question, profit is insufficient. Interest on capital will not be provided. Profit of 27,000 will be distributed to the partners in their capital ratio 3:2. Okay, are you clear? Then exercise number 5, page number 113. Mannan and Ramesh share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2, and their capital on 1st April 2018 was Mannan 1,50,000 and Ramesh 1 lakh respectively, and their current account shows a credit balance of 25,000, 20,000 respectively. calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2019 and so the journal entry. See, in this problem, first we identify whether it is a fixed capital arrangement or fluctuating capital arrangement. See, in this problem, capital and current account balance also given. So, it is a fixed capital arrangement. As per fixed capital arrangement, if any interest on capital or any interest on drawing should be transferred to respective partners' current account. Now we are going to calculate interest on capital 6% on 1,50,000 and 6% on 1 lakh. See the exercise number 5. Interest on capital due to Mannan. 1,50,000 into 6 by 100. How much? 9,000. Interest on capital due to Ramesh. 1 lakh into 6 by 100. So 6,000. What is the journal entry? It is a fixed capital arrangement. Interest on capital should be transferred to respective partners' current account. Now, interest on capital account data total 15,000. Interest on capital account data 15,000. Mannan's current account 9,000. To Ramesh's current account 6,000. So, interest on capital will be provided. See, under fixed capital arrangement, interest on capital transferred to respective partners' current account. Don't forget it. Then, exercise 6. Prakash and Supriya were partners who shared the profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Balance in their capital account on 1st January 2018 was Prakash 3 lakh and Supriya rupees 2 lakh. On 1st January 2018, Prakash introduced on 1st July 2018, Prakash introduced additional capital 60,000. Supriya introduced additional capital 30,000 during the year. See, note this point. Supriya introduced additional capital of 30,000 during the year. Date is not given. So, now we calculate interest on additional capital for Supriya only for 6 months. Because date is not given, now we calculate interest on capital for 6 months on 30,000. Calculate interest on capital as 6% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2019. So the journal entry. Then see the interest on capital of Prakash 3 lakh into 6 by 100, 18,000 for 1 year. Additional capital introduced. And which date they introduced additional capital? From July. From July to December, July to March. Because a financial year 1st April to 31st March. From July to March 9 months. 60,000 into 6 by 100 into 9 by 12. Now we get to 2,700. Total interest on capital due to Prakash is 27,000. Then interest on Supriya's capital. Then opening capital 2 lakh. 6% 1 year 12,000. So interest on opening capital 2 lakh, 6% 12,000. And Supriya introduced additional capital 30,000. Date of introducing additional capital is not given. Approximately we calculate interest on capital for 6 months alone. Because date is not given, approximately we calculate interest on capital to the respective partners at 6 months. So 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12, 900. Total 12,900. Now interest on capital of Supriya 12,900. Now the journal entry. See, interest on capital account data to Prakash capital account 20,700 to Supriya's capital account 12,900. Because in this problem, current account balance is not given. That means under fluctuating capital method, we are going to for journal entry. Anything related to capital, it should be transferred to respective partners capital account. Now interest on capital also transferred to respective partners capital account. Now interest on capital account debtor total 33,600, to Prakash capital 20,700, to Supriya's capital 13,900. Then problem number 7, page number 140. The capital account of Begum and Fatima on 1st January 2018 showed a balance of 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. On 1st October 2018, Begum introduced additional capital of rupees 10,000. See, date of introducing additional capital 1st October. Okay, and on 1st May 2018, Fatima introduced additional capital of rupees 9,000. So, date of introducing additional capital of Fatima 1st May 2019. That is a financial year 1st January 2018 to 31st December 2018. Calculate interest on capital at 4% per annum for the year ending 31st December. See the problem. Interest on capital of Begum. Interest on Begum's capital. 50,000 opening capital into 4 by 100 for 1 year, 2,000. Okay. Then additional capital introduced on which month? 1st October. From October to December, how many months? 3 months. October, November and December. Only 3 months. 10,000 into 4% for 3 months, 100. So total 2,100. Then interest on Fatima's capital, 40,000 into 4 by 100 for 1 year, 1,600. And Fatima introduced additional capital 9,000 into 4 by 100 and into 8 by 12. Why should 8 by 12? Because Fatima introduced 1st May, then May to December. How many months? 8 months. Okay. January, February, March, April. Then May to December, 8 months. So 9,000 into 4 by 100 into 8 by 12, 240. Total interest on capital 1,840. Now we are going to pass a journal entry. Okay, only no journal entry. Suppose if we are passing journal entry means what is the journal entry? Interest on capital account debtor to Begum's capital to Fatima's capital. That's all. Okay. Now today class is over. Recording this above problem. You have any doubt? You are going to ask at the time of evening class. Okay, students. Thank you.